Income tax return, ITR, filing. Simplified by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, where we simplify taxation for you. Filing your income tax return, ITR, is more than just a legal requirement. It's a step toward financial compliance, securing refunds, and strengthening your financial credibility. Yet, many individuals and businesses struggle with choosing the right ITR form, understanding deductions, and meeting deadlines. That's why we're here. To make ITR filing simple, error-free, and hassle-free. Let's dive into the key aspects of income tax return filing and why you should file it on time. Who should file an ITR? ITR filing is mandatory for various individuals and entities. Here's who needs to file: salaried and self-employed individuals. If your annual income exceeds Rs 2.5 lakh, below 60 years, Rs 3 lakh, between 60-79 years, Rs 5 lakh, above 80 years. Businesses and firms. All companies, LLPs, and firms must file ITR, irrespective of profit or loss. NRIs. If you earn income in India through salary, rent, capital gains, or interest, ITR filing is mandatory. Property owners and investors. If you have rental income, capital gains from property sales, or stock market transactions, you must report them. High-value transactions. If you've made bank deposits exceeding Rs 10 lakh, foreign travel expenses over Rs 2 lakh, credit card payments above Rs 1 lakh, then filing an ITR is essential to justify your financial transactions. Even if your income is below the taxable limit, filing ITR helps with loan approvals, visa processing, and tax refunds. Choosing the right ITR form. Selecting the correct ITR form is crucial. Filing the wrong one can lead to rejection, delays, or penalties. Here's an overview. ITR 1, for salaried individuals with income up to Rs 50 lakh. ITR 2, for individuals with multiple house properties, capital gains, or foreign income. ITR 3, for those earning business or professional income. ITR 4, for individuals and businesses opting for presumptive taxation. ITR 5, ITR 6, ITR 7, for firms, LLPs, companies, and trusts. If you're unsure which form applies to you, Filings Corner's expert team is here to guide you. Documents required for ITR filing. Keeping the right documents handy ensures smooth and error-free ITR filing. For salaried individuals, Form 16, salary slips, rent receipts, investment proofs. For self-employed and business owners, profit and loss statement, GST returns, TDS details, and invoices. For capital gains, stock market statements, property sale deeds. For other income, interest certificates, Form 26AS, TDS certificates. General documents, PAN, Aadhaar, and bank account details for refunds. Providing the right details ensures that you claim maximum deductions and avoid tax notices. ITR deadlines and penalties. Missing ITR deadlines can lead to heavy penalties. Here's what you need to know. ITR deadline. Individuals and salaried taxpayers, July 31st. Businesses and audit cases, October 31st. Penalties for late filing. Rs 1,000 to Rs 5,000 fine under Section 234F. Interest on outstanding tax under Sections 234A, 234B, and 234C. Loss of refund claims and deduction benefits. Why take risks? File your ITR on time with Filings Corner. Why choose Filings Corner for ITR filing? At Filings Corner, we make ITR filing seamless, secure, and 100% compliant. Here's why thousands trust us. Hassle-free e-filing, 100% compliance guarantee. Affordable plans. File your ITR with Filings Corner today. Avoid last-minute rush and penalties. Get expert assistance for an error-free and optimized ITR filing experience. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to file your ITR hassle-free.